Welcome back to another Tuesday greasy testimonial. So I actually got a lot done today. That's why I'm checking in with me, with you, with us, with this. This week we are focusing on moving into. So we've done moving on, we've done moving past, moving forward, right? Finally getting into the moving into a new apartment, moving into a new season, moving into a new way of life, I hope. Today, we had a very productive day. Woke up, I made myself some coffee, waited till 8ish because then that's when Trader Joe's opened. Went to Trader Joe's, got a couple of things. I've packed more. I have, did some laundry yesterday. I'll put that away now. I booked my movers that'll move into the pod, like pack my pod, so that is all set. So pod's delivered on the 10th. My pod will get packed on the 11th and then picked up on the 12th. So either the 11th or the 12th, I'll be heading to the East Coast officially. So I've started like scheduling some cute little like to-go events. Like I want to go to Bad Luck Burger Club, I want to go to Bill's with Olivia, I want to go to Fryce Cream with Amanda Harrison. Like I have a bunch of things I really am excited to do this next week. Plan on doing another trip to Atlanta this Thursday, and I'll drop off some more stuff, so I'm gonna pack the car up one more time. Within the next 2 trips, I should have all the little things out. This next trip, I'm gonna focus on dropping off like office stuff. Last thing will be the kitchen stuff, because I'm still cooking, we're still doing things. I'm going to attempt to make what a friend told me about yesterday, which was Big Mac tacos. That's why I went to Trader Joe's this morning, because I needed onion. Google, what time is it? 9:34 a.m. I'm such a morning person. Like I get so much done, and then the rest of the day, that's why I just rot. It's all coming up so fast, but like in the best way. And yeah, I'm stoked to hang out with my buddies over the next 2 weeks. We are pivoting into the future. Had a bunch of really great conversations this week about what I want to do with my life. And even if food and beverage isn't it, my biggest hope is that, you know, we start to make a better impact on the future, because it's scary out here. Scary. I can't believe I've been talking this long on camera looking like this. Let's get a shower in. Moving into the shower. But yeah, moving into is the theme of the week. And then that will complete the moving vlog. So thank you so much. I know we're not officially moved into the new apartment, but that's kind of like gonna be its new chapter. Like moving to me is kind of like the moving out process. Moving into a new season, but then like settling in as its own thing. But that won't be this at all. Like I don't want to do a series like that, because like we are doing a series about settling. That is not the 2024 vibe. Have a beautiful day. I love you so much. Thank you for watching and hanging out and supporting me. And yeah, I just look forward to this every week.
You know, somebody might have a birthday coming up as well, so it's more important than ever to call it a bromance now, but it really is just these 2 guys who are best friends and just love each other, you know, to the end of the earth. And how did we do this? How did we get away with this? How did we think these things and say these things? This weekend, your homework is to make sure that you do something good for yourself. I don't know, if you want to send me a little message or a little gifty gift or something, like that's absolutely a thing. My Amazon list is in my Instagram profile. Anyway, drink your water, take your meds, and we'll see you next week.
This is my current conundrum. I have this bird and I'm trying to figure out like what to do with it. And I don't want to leave it like this because I think the other birds are going to attack it. But it was fine for a second and now it crawled under there. For an update on the bird scenario, we are currently fostering it. I don't know if it's going to survive, but I'm hoping it lives a nice little comfy life. You know, for like a little bird, you're kind of aggressive. Put some banana if you want it. Don't. No. 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 Do you want it or no? Okay. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, stop doing that. I'm trying. I just... Oh, okay. Just, can you eat that part first? Chill. Nobody likes a binge eater. Oh my fucking God. Alright, I'm gonna go in for another one, but you're gonna, don't attack it, okay? Okay? We're gonna chill, okay? We're gonna go nice and slow. Jesus, here. I know you can't do anything if you wear that. Oh, shit. Okay. Oh God. I'm not your actual mom. I'm kind of scared of killing you. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh my God. This is absolutely wild. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. That's good. Alright, take it. Okay, you're good. Okay, stop it! Stop shouting! I'm just not made for motherhood. I'll be 100%. I don't know. Do I just throw it down your throat? I can't imagine that's right. Stop it! Chill. Can't you just be nice about it? Can't you just be nice? Just chill. Oh, now all of a sudden you got this fucking strength? Where was that earlier? Oh, God. I don't want to, like, just throw... Oh, okay, there you go. Look at you. There you go. There's... Ah, Jesus Christ. I don't like a jump scare, okay, my dude? I'm gonna tell you right now. I wish I could just sit this down and you would eat it. Like, it's just, this is just not, I can't live this way. Oh, so you're right there. Okay, open, be nice about it, be nice about it. Come on, bro, you're a fucking mess. Yeah, I'm trying, but you keep moving. Alright, I hope you eat this. Okay. Oh, there you go. It's in your mouth. It's in your mouth. I don't know what... No, that's not what's gonna happen. I can't do anything more than mush that banana up for you, bro. That was horrific. You're not allowed to be a little big bag of dicks right now. I'm trying to... Okay. Get comfortable. Go back to bed. We like you when you're quiet. Don't be freaking out. I know you've gotten adjusted to that comp life, but this is a little bit more realistic to what your real life's gonna be like. Are you gonna behave if I try to bring you back outside? Because that's where you live. You don't live here. Well, I'm hoping if you do that outside, your mom will come, so. You're gonna be okay, ducky. Let's get ready to get a move on. My hair is like giving Colin Bridgerton right now. I don't know why I'm talking about this. I should never put this on an intro, but y'all are patient. You're patient and yeah, I love you. But I don't really know, again, what the summer series looks like, but it's gonna be fucking fun. We got a lot of great stuff coming to you, so